Hey guys, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I wanted to do a large-ish Dutch pour, and this time I wanted to do it with very little negative space. That was a recommendation from one of my subscribers, so thank you very much. If you guys have any recommendations for paintings you want me to do, just drop them in the comments below. I'm also doing a little bit of a color correction, so I'm using similar colors to one I did a few weeks back that had orange and turquoise and bronze in it, but I had other colors in there that I just didn't care for. This time I made it with a little bit of red violet in there, and I just wanted to keep it simple. So let's see how this one turns out. All right, guys, I am back to try the orange and turquoise green color combination again. Now, you guys know me. Last time I made one and someone actually bought it, thank you very much, but I was experimenting with colors and I didn't really care for the pink or the blue that I put in there. So the pour that I'm gonna do tonight leaves those colors out, but I'm using an orange here. This is actually Vermilion by Amsterdam, but I added just the tiniest touch of red to it. And then aqua green. And then I'm actually using, I used blue violet last time. I'm using red violet this time. And bronze. And I think I called it copper last time, but this is bronze. So I'm keeping with kind of the reddish tones with the turquoise green. So, and I may call it aqua, but it's turquoise green. These are all mixed paint and water. I'm going to spread the white out on the canvas and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm just popping, whoops, do I have any fluid in there? Okay. I'm just popping my air bubbles right now. And I have my white spread around. This is just Amsterdam white and water. Got a couple little pinholes from the air bubbles. You want to make sure you pop those. Okay, I'm just going to get right to it, guys, because I'm really excited. I'm going to do kind of the same shape, and I'm not going to fiddle this time. I'm going to blow, maybe blow a little bit. You guys know I say that, and then that is not what happens. Now, okay, I'm also, don't know what shape that is, but I'm gonna try, I say try, to not pour all of it out in one place like I normally do. I don't want much of this color. That's plenty right there. I do want multiple layers of my aqua and the bronze with this orange. I was worried that the bronze would look too, there we go, would look too kind of muddy, but it's actually really pretty. Okay, that's it. Here we go. I'm not gonna blow the white all the way over. What I'm really doing here is helping the paint flow better. So I'm just gonna kind of push the colors together. And then this paint is just really to help the colors flow around the canvas. Okay. Pop any more. Ooh, this looks like Clipson down here with that red violet and the orange. Just popping the rest of my air bubbles here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna blow it out. Oh, there's that violet. kind of like the snake shape. This part right here, I feel like is giving me a little bit of trouble. And I kind of like that it's covering most of the canvas. I normally do kind of a lot of negative space, but I actually like that it's covering a bunch of the canvas. So I think I'm just gonna blow a little bit here. I think maybe even with my blow dryer, I'll blow right there. Okay, I actually really like that I covered a lot of the canvas this time. I don't know why. You guys can let me know your opinion. I do want to kind of blow this off the edge over here. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna fiddle a bunch and then I fiddled a bunch, but this is actually less fiddling than I normally do. So, okay, but I think I'm just going to, I think I'm just gonna leave it. It looks like multiple like flower blooms coming out of here. This in the middle is the only thing that bothers me right now. So I don't know if I wanna blow it into each other, if that'll ruin it. Let me see. I don't know about this one little piece right here. I don't know, you guys. What do you think? What should I do? I love that I added this red violet in here. The copper is beautiful. It's gonna dry beautiful. The orange pops go great against the turquoise. Maybe if I just... This is all about kind of adding interest through here. And movement. So okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it be. I'm not touching it anymore. I'll show you guys. Okay, I really like this one for some reason, and I don't know why, because it's messier than my normal pour, but the details in it with the color combination are just spectacular. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take you up here so I can show you the little hint of red violet that's underneath there that I love. Look at that corner. All right, so a Dutch pour with almost no negative space, and I've honed in on the color combination I like. So you guys can let me know and I'll show you the dried result so you can see. All right, I'll see you guys in a sec. Well, I surprised myself yet again. I thought when it was drying, I was like, oh, muddy, oh no. But I don't know if you can see all of that copper. I was like, oh man, the copper took over. But now I'm so happy that it did. It's like such a rich color. Let me see if I can get you in on any of the details because they're, gosh, my cat, why can't you guys be here with me so that I can just show you in person? Come on over, guys. So look, there's all those little details. That middle, I kind of took my finger and just dabbed like that until it softened so that it didn't look like there was like some crazy piece in the center. I love this little burst of color right there, and then there's one tiny little bit right there. But overall, somebody that likes copper will love this piece. Let me see if I can get any of the shine. Of course not. But you guys get the idea. So I actually really like it with not a lot of negative space. I like both ways. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.